Do you want to turn crystal bracelets into powerful talismans to attract love, to deepen self-worth, and open the heart to healing? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. My name is Sandra. I've been practicing witchcraft for over 35 years now. I'm the author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. And I've been helping witches who are struggling to start a practice or deepen a practice to confidently integrate magic into their life on a daily basis to bring them a sense of connection to who they truly are. And in this video, I'm being partnered by Otter Spirit, who are the creators of these beautiful crystal bracelets. Now, you can use these separately and even buy them from Otter Spirit separately, but I like to use them together because the wonderful thing about Otter Spirit for witches is that they have what are called intention packs, where you can buy 3 bracelets that together work towards helping you with your intention. In this case, this is a love bracelet pack to help you attract love into your life, to deepen the self-worth so that you're feeling the love for yourself too and worthy of love, as well as opening your heart to healing, which is often what we really need when it comes to attracting the love in our life. Otter Spirit are a beautiful company. They are in Monterey Bay in California. They donate $1 of each of their bracelets to a foundation to save the otters, and their jewelry, their crystals, are either AA or AAA grade and very ethically sourced. And they come with a 2-year guarantee so that you know you're getting a good product. And I love working with gemstones. I love working with crystals, and I've often worn them as part of my magical work. And I'm wearing these and using these not to attract love into my life because I already have that, but to deepen the love that's already in my life, and also to help me with my own self-love, because really that's where it begins. It begins with loving and appreciating and accepting ourselves, and working with gemstones and crystals can help you do that. If you want to purchase these bracelets, there's a link in the description field below this video. And yes, I am an affiliate of Otter Spirit, so yes, I will get a commission if you buy these bracelets. And to also help you with your spell casting, including charging up talismanic bracelets, I have a free PDF called the Spellcaster Checklist that takes you through the really important aspects of spell casting, like your intention, getting clear on it, and what you need to think about when you're planning your spell. There's a link in the description field below this video for that checklist, and you can also find it on my website, mysterywitchschool.com. So this spell is for you, even if you're not interested in having a romance, you're just wanting to love yourself more. These bracelets will help you do that. Now, when it comes to intention packs, Otter Spirit have intention packs for all kinds of intentions. There's prosperity packs, there's healing packs, there's anxiety packs, you name it. There are crystal bracelet intention packs that can cover whatever area of magic that you're wanting to do. They also have zodiac packs. They sell the bracelets as single items as well. There's other jewelry there, earrings and necklaces there too. So there's a lot of variety there. When you're doing talismanic magic for yourself or for someone else, you're working with the energies of the earth. You're working with the energies of nature and the spirit of the stones. And so when we're enchanting them, which I'm going to show you how to do in a minute, we're communicating to the spirit of the stones. Now I'm just going to go through what each of these stones do. The first one is the red jasper. Now, red jasper is associated with love, but it's also associated with stability. Because it's red jasper, it is related to the root chakra, so it can give you that sense of grounding and stability and strength within yourself, so that you're more confident when it comes to seeking the love you want, or just feeling the love that you're wanting to feel even for yourself. The second one, of course, is rose quartz, always associated with love. But what's beautiful about rose quartz, it's very, very healing for the heart chakra. And so if you're needing to heal after a love breakup and you're wanting to open your heart more to love, then rose quartz will help you do that. And the third one is rhodonite. Now, rhodonite's properties when it comes to love magic is forgiveness. So forgiveness of self, that includes as well as healing the heart. When we're doing love magic, whether that's for self-love or whether that's to attract a relationship, often there's a lot of healing that needs to happen because we've had bad relationships in the past or loss in the past. And so we're wanting to heal as well. So when you're using these bracelets together, as opposed to just having them separately, you're bringing all of those energies of the crystals together, to work in harmony. So you're getting a triple dose of energy to help you with your love magic. So I'm going to show you how to charge these bracelets. So for this spell, all you really need are your bracelets. And what I also love about Otter Spirit, and this is just genuinely because I really do like Otter Spirit and I really do like everything about them. I love the way that they also package their jewelry as well. You have this beautiful box that the bracelets come in, as well as a beautiful little pouch that you can put them in too. And you can use these pouches for magic too. You can use these boxes too if you're wanting to use magical boxes. So they're totally recyclable. Now I've set the altar up to give it a bit of an atmosphere. I have some rose petals here, some dried ones. I've also got a rose quartz crystal. Now you don't need to have that for your spell. I just like to have it to give it that atmosphere of love, and it just helps you feel more into what your spell is all about. I've got a candle here. It's just a white candle. It's a working candle. It's not for love specifically. But if you're wanting to use candle magic as well, you could always have a red candle or a pink candle, and even put some rose oil on that candle and dress the candle in a rose oil. I'm going to lay these crystal bracelets on the rose as I prepare for the spell. So that's just feeling into what love feels like. And if you're doing this to attract a loving relationship into your life, you could start to imagine what it would feel like to have a relationship or a significant other in your life. If you're doing this to enhance a relationship or heal a relationship, you can focus on the healing of that and what that feels like to have the relationship healthy again. If it's self-love, what does that feel like to feel that love for yourself? And then when you're ready, it's time to do your work. So the first thing to do is to cleanse and consecrate your bracelets. Now you can do this with incense, or you can do this over the candle flame. So I'm actually going to use the heat of the candle flame for consecration this time. I cleanse and consecrate this red jasper to serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. I cleanse and consecrate this rose quartz to serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. I cleanse and consecrate this rhodonite to serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. If you have some rose quartz with you, you could even charge them up by putting them around the rose quartz crystal and cleansing them that way. You would need to leave them there overnight before you do the spell if you want to cleanse them that way with a crystal. And that could be even just a plain clear quartz crystal is great for cleansing, or if you wanted to use selenite as a cleansing stone, you can certainly do that as well. So then I'm going to place them on the rose petals, focus once again on my intention, and pick up one of the bracelets. Hold it in the palm of my hand, and I'm charging it up with my own energy. So when you're charging with energy, you can draw the energy up from the earth beneath you. Imagine the energy from the earth coming up your spine, and then coming all the way up through your spine, going all the way down your arms and out into your hands. I charge this red jasper with the energy of stability and strength to ground me in love. You can put that one aside. Rose quartz. I charge this rose quartz crystal to attract love into my life. Love from within myself and without. Bring the right love to me, the best love to me. And then your rhodonite. I charge this rhodonite with healing and forgiveness for myself and others, so that my heart is free from strain and open to love. And then take the three crystals, charging them together, focusing in on what it is you're truly wanting, again directing the energy into them. I charge these bracelets with the power of unconditional love, healthy relationships and magnetic attraction. May their energy support my heart, deepen connections, and radiate love wherever I go. And then you can place your bracelet on top of the rose petals again and leave them there for 24 hours to cook. You can spend time in between these stages focusing on the love you want. So when you're charging each bracelet separately, you could be focusing on what that crystal does and what that would feel like in your life to have that. And then when you're holding them all together, what it feels like to have that stable love in your life with the open heart and feeling, you know, the depth of self-worth and really feeling into those feelings. Now, if you want to learn more about witchcraft so that you can bring it into your life and give your life that sense of connection and that sense of meaning, and you know that you can't do it on your own, I do have a course called the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy, where you start to learn about energy work right from the get-go and all of the things that witches do, bringing witchcraft into your life in a way that gives it the meaning and the way that gives it that connection. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can join that course. It's evergreen, you can join at any time, and you also get 2 other courses with that course for free. One is your daily practice course, and the other one is the Witch's Guide to Magic, which is a 5-module course that is all about how to get the most out of your spells. Love spells, prosperity spells, health, healing, protection and defense. All of that different type of magic is explained in that course, and how you can get the most out of doing spells for those types of magic, all in the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. Link in the description field below the video, and you can also find it on my website, mysterywitchschool.com. Now let me know in the comments field what your favorite crystal is. I'd love to know. And once again, if you want to purchase these beautiful crystal bracelets or any of the intention pack bracelets or bracelets singularly on Otter Spirit, you can use my link in the description field below this video. And if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Blessed be.